Guys, tingnan nyo naman. I'm being banned from Blox Fruits. Tingnan nyo. You have been kicked by this experience or its moderators. Oh man. What? Binan nila ako na walang... They ban me from no reason, guys. Wala na, hindi na ako makakapaglaro. Sana na lang makita na to ni Ozot. Kakainis din. May nagban sa akin, hindi naman ako hacker eh. Tsaka hindi naman ako admin. Tingnan nyo pa. Guys. Leave muna tayo. Wait lang guys.